I declare professional platform welding dead. No one buys it now. If you buy automation, everyone buys self-integrated welding, and you don't have to buy an industrial gun. You don't have to buy a water cooler. We just need to plug your gun in. 6-axis simple platform welding. Programmed it. He only has one professional automation platform welding. It can realize multi-axis linkage. The workpiece is automatically turned over for welding. All handheld soldering is worth a makeover, because the handheld welding hand is actually still inefficient. We're going to make it intelligent. Like this one, soldering 10,000 to 20,000 workpieces a day. That was easy.